This is Jim with OmniEye. Here's the west clean out and the east clean out's over there. Okay, it transitions to cast iron pipe. Looks pretty good. A little bit of a coating. But it's fairly uniform. There are a little bit of shoulders left and right, but other than that, it looks like a uniform coating. Well, that looks like roots there on the left, under that coating, and on the right. Yeah. So the roots have either come through cracks or they're penetrating right through the pipe, but the linear indication is that there's a crack there and they're coming through the crack. Yeah, a lot of roots. So, probably time for a repipe or replacing. If you cut the roots, they're just gonna, yeah, there's so many there, they're actually restricting the progress of the camera. A lot of roots. Better plan on replacing that. This is so restricted here, I can't imagine anything further upline is actually working, unless it's just water. The camera is stuck. Now I can't get it to hardly go. Yeah, that's all we're gonna get. So 23.3 feet in, and that's all we can do. So let's bring this back. We'll bring it back and look at it one more time on the way back. You got roots in there.
Yeah, I figured that. I had two big trees when I first moved them in here. And,
You got rid of the trees, but the roots had already done their duty.
I already got an estimate to have it done.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm going to go down there right after this and tell them to start whenever we do it. Man, the last 3 years it might have backed up twice. Both times it was like when the grandkids were here, so
Oh.
it kept it cool.
All right, let's go down line. Let me wipe this lens, and then we'll go down towards the street. See what it looks like down line.
That was toward the street?
No, that was towards the house. Now we're going towards the street.
Oh, shit. How did the roots be under the house?
Oh man, you got more roots out here.
That's where I thought you were talking.
Yeah, it's blocked down line. I can't even go. Yeah, there's so many roots down line, I can't even go.
Because I had somebody scope this out, and they went all the way down the end.
Well, I don't know how they did it. I can't get it to go past 6 feet. Yeah. Tell you what, run some water in the house so it comes down. Not on this side though, in the main house, please.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. I'm gonna see if I can get that to clear. So that looks like the inlet right there on the top left for this unit coming in. There's the water. See the roots up there?
I think there was like a couple stringy ones.
Yeah, it's just a ball. It's a root ball there. The water's going underneath it. Let's see if I can get the camera to go underneath it.
I think he had a smaller.
Yeah, I can't get through there. Yeah, you got roots down there, unfortunately. Yeah, the water's backing up. See, the water's backing up. It's all the way back to the clean out now. If you leave the water on, it'll probably fill up this pipeline.